Hi, I'm Connie from Free Mushing by the River, and I just received the Sew Sampler box from Bag Quilt shop for December. So let's open it and see what's inside. It's called Flurries of Fun, December 2024. And let's see. There is a promo code to get a free pair of socks with a $60 order. There's also a free quilt pattern called Back Quarter Ferris Wheel Short Cut Quilt Pattern. See it? Cute. Okay, let's see what we have. Flurries of Fun. Doing fabric class. Okay, let's start here. We have Aqua Pattern Stand. Purple hobby, purple hobby. This adorable Aqua gadget is a real stand-up character. Purple Hobby's pattern holder keeps your patterns upright, freeing up your workspace and keeping your pattern in plain sight. An exclusive aqua color for Back Quarter Shop. The weighted base means it won't tip over and it can handle up to 14 pages. Your trusty sidekick for those marathon winter sewing sessions. And the value of this is $11.98. There it is. Okay, so we have a pattern. Stick it in like that. Pretty nice. Back in here, know there's going to be a pattern. Oops. Here's a pattern, Snowdrift. It's December 2024 Sew Sampler. The size is 48.5 by 16. Oh, nice. That is nice. That will hold that. This is for you. This pattern looks unorganized. This is the Snowdrift quilt pattern. The value is $9.98. And it is inspired by snowflakes whirling to the ground. Snowdrift quilt at Back Quarter Shop is a delightful sight. The Back Quarter friendly design shows off intricate lace-like designs that form dazzling pinwheels among vibrant snowflakes. Craft this frosty wonder with Back Quarter bundle in this month's box. Like I said, the value is $9.98. We're reading this the weight. Okay, so there is the pattern. There is the pattern stand. What else? What else? Oh, let's just do this. Let's do that. It looks pretty. And the fabric is Snowdrift Rosemary Cottage Back Quarter bundle. Value of this $24.98. Rosemary Cottage by Campbell. Ooh. Beautiful fabric. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 back corners. This one, that's a blue with the print. green, a white with a green print on it. Actually looks like a vintage, kind of a vintage print. Here's a light blue background with navy blue and white flips. Here is a navy blue with a little patchwork design. Tone on tone. You always need these. These are always just the best thing to have in your stash. This one, salmon color, rose salmon color. Beautiful. That really looks good with this. Those. Beautiful fabrics. And that was the value of $24.98. We also have a 14-inch project bag. Build as you go kit with zippity do-done zipper, gray. Easy sew by number construction, safely store sewing and craft projects. This is by AccuQuilt. When you're doing another project using AccuQuilt dies soon. And this is a June Taylor project. Here it's showing a 14-inch project bag. The interfacing that has everything on it. So you can just sew right on here. I've got another June Taylor. I've got a bag, so I'm working on it. Fix up directions, zippers. Now I have never used a zipper like this. I already got binding. Oh, and this vinyl, clear vinyl. That means the front of this bag is clear. Say about that. 14-inch project bag quilt as you go kit by June Taylor. The value is $9.98. This season of gathering with friends and family, stay stitch ready wherever you are with this 14-inch quilt as you go project bag from June Taylor. With its spacious square size, see-through front, and stylish design, you can add your personal flair. This kit includes printed sew on the line, stabilizer, vinyl, and zipper to help you complete the whole project. That's going to be fun. I'm looking forward to making that. Then, the last thing we have, two or one. Lori Holt cute cuts, 5x8 alpine and schoolhouse reversible cutting mat. This adorable little cutting mat by Lori Holt of Be In My Bonnet Company is your new little helper at sewing retreats, or pop it next to your sewing machine for speedy snips and trims. It's reversible with green and red alpine and schoolhouse colors. Sprinkle some wintry charm in your sewing room. The value is $10.74. It's cute. I like that. And since I'm going to be working on 6-inch blocks of Lori Holt's, this over by my son. Last thing is the Pieceful quilt. This is block block 9 of the, it's called the windmill basket block. Finishes with 17 and a half, 17 and a half. Still haven't made it, but I will. That was what was in those sampler box for December. There's cute things. Love the fabrics. Fabrics are beautiful. This is fun. So let me know what you think of this box. Did you like it? Thank you for watching.